Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Lolo Nkechi's channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made one of the beads that I used on my wedding. Yeah, this one is the pin one that I added on my bun that I made for my wedding on my wedding day. This bead is so easy to make. I decided to share with you guys. So you'll be needing this coral beads and this little ones here, crystal beads. Yeah, I think this is 8mm. I cannot remember. You'll be needing needle and thread, a matching thread. I don't have the color of thread at home, so I'm going to make use of this black one. So what you just need to do, you have to double it. If not, this thing is going to cut along the way. So I just tie and we start beading. I love beading, you know, this was something that I learned. I love beading a lot. So we're just going to pass our needle through these beads. Just like this. Let me push this once. Oh yeah, I've lost one bead. So we're going to make like this. You have to leave a little bit of thread at the end part. Now we are going to take the crystal beads. I'm using 4. You can decide to use any amount you want, but I'm going to be using 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you bring it out. Let me turn this way. So we'll be passing our needle back into this big coral beads, just like this. Then you pull. It has to be very tight. That is the reason why I said you have to make your thread. You have to double it up. Yeah. So just like this. Can you guys see? Yeah. Then you tie. You tie it again. Sorry, my kids are playing. So we pick the other one and you repeat the same thing you did for the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you pass it through the big coral beads and you pull. So you pull, so you tie it. So you repeat the process the third time. The same thing you did for the first and the second one is what you are going to do till you are done. And you pass it. You have to make it very tight. And you tie. This is the fourth one, the last one. Then you pull. Oh, this is one thing about beading. This is the process I don't like. So you pull it. Then you tie. So this is how it's going to look like when you are done. So the next thing we'll be doing is we'll be adding the ball pen.